Good morning, this is Howie, and it's a new day, and election is over, but we still don't know who the winner is, and the only thing I care about is the green in the market, and there's a reason for that. There is no blue wave, at least most experts don't think so. It looks like we'll still have a divided government, which is great. Checks and balances is what most investors or Wall Street prefer. Again, this is not a statement against or for any one particular candidate or the other. I'm just explaining that Wall Street, we like checks and balances so that things are a little bit harder to get past. And so it's almost like business as usual, quote, and end quote, right? So because of that, markets like it. I think we're going to have a good run. So today I wanted to cover a couple things. I did a video on Teledocs, but I actually showed my Biogen holding. So you see, this is great news for Biogen shareholders. So I'm excited. I'm excited because you can see in my ETrade account, you see what this means for me, a 40% move today. I mean, it adds a little bit, not bad. I did a video thinking that it was Teledocs, but I did a mistake. This is my Docusign holding, but that's also having a great day. So this portfolio is doing really well. And here you go. I have another lot of it here. I bought this for a short-term trade. So I'm not going to complain if I'm up, I'm up a little bit here, 13%. I'm going to sell it. I'll take the money. Again, I'm not going to complain about a 13% for, here you go, a trade. So I will sell that. I don't really care. This one I don't have to worry about the tax consequences. In the other account, it is a taxable account. Winners run. So I don't have to worry about paying taxes on those. But on this one, it's non-taxable account. So I'm done with that. So with a few clicks of the mouse, there you go. I sold it. My Biogen went across. I'm not going to complain. I'm happy with that. I do have some other things I need to manage. The market has moved up really quick. So I have a really stupid play with my Visa. But I'm okay with it. I mean, it's one part here is getting too close here. You see that? So this one has so much time left that it's going to put me in a really bad spot. So what I'll end up doing is I may end up just rolling this one out forward, leave this side here, let that decay. Then again, I did collect. You see the spread difference it's big enough. So I mean, I may let this side decay, roll this forward. The other ones look like they're a better position, but this one was really bad, and I don't know what I was thinking when I created that. So I'll look around and see what I have to do. I think there's an SPY that I need to fix. Same thing, I need to put it back to a midpoint. But I think what I was doing was I was expecting a much more bear market, and I slanted a lot of my trades that way. And because the market has been pretty decent the last 2 or 3 days, it really moved much further on the call side than I expected. But anyway, I got the trades in for Biogen. Hopefully you enjoy. And again, as always, watch me. I don't really trade much, but sometimes I do like taking profits off the table. And you can't really complain about a profit or a dollar in your pocket. So I made my 13% on Biogens. I have it in another portfolio where I'm letting it ride. So I will continue to watch the markets, but watch me. Like I said, I don't give out stock tips, but you can see how I trade. I'm very conservative. Dividends, I'm a long-term buy and hold. I don't really do a lot of trades. I did do one earlier this week where I sold another winner and I bought into a REIT, R-E-I-T, real estate, right? I bought into a real estate investment trust, and I wrote an option against that, and that's over here, which is my store capital, and I'm okay with that, right? I'm not day trading these things, so it's not like you're buying these for day trading. You're buying these things for long term. And don't forget, if you saw my video that I put out, my previous video, I made 100%. So really, right, even though this says it cost me $2,000, I took $1,000, put it into here because it made me money. And then I was thinking over the long term, when real estate comes back, the malls and everything else opens up next year or 5 years from now, whatever it may be, I'll collect a 5% dividend. I'll write options on it because I have 100 shares. My last holding only had 14 shares and I couldn't do that. So again, it's just I'm trying to fix my portfolio so it's better for collecting and earning income in multiple ways. So I'll keep this video short. Don't forget to like me, comment, let me know what you're thinking or doing. And again, as always, let's do this together. I can show you how we can make $1 profit at a time. And if you do that over a consistent time frame, you will have a positive net worth, and it may even be in the millions. So hoping that you will join me on this journey. See you then. Have a profitable trading day.